Want to know how you can make money with crypto? Whether you're a newbie or already in the game, today I'm breaking down 5 simple ways to start earning with crypto. By the end of this video, you'll know how to put your crypto to work and make it grow. Step 1. Trading crypto. The first and most popular way to make money in crypto is trading. This involves buying cryptocurrencies when prices are low and selling when they're high. Example: imagine you buy Bitcoin at $30,000 and the price jumps to $40,000. That's a $10,000 profit. Of course, it's not always that easy, but with research and strategy, trading can be really rewarding. Step 2. Staking crypto. Next up is staking, which is like earning interest on your crypto. Some blockchains allow you to stake your coins, and in return, you receive rewards. Example: think of it like a high-interest savings account. You're letting your crypto sit, and it earns you more over time, kind of like watching your money grow while you sleep. Step 3. Yield farming and liquidity providing. Another method is yield farming and providing liquidity. In decentralized finance or DeFi, you can lend your crypto to liquidity pools, which helps exchanges function, and in return, you earn a portion of the transaction fees. Example: it's like lending money to the bank, and in exchange, you get a cut of the profits. Just keep in mind that with higher returns often come higher risks. Step 4. Crypto mining. For those with the right setup, mining is still a great way to make money in crypto. This involves using powerful computers to solve complex problems, which help process transactions on the blockchain. Example: it's like being rewarded in Bitcoin for keeping the network running smoothly. But beware, it's energy intensive and requires a good initial investment. Step 5. Earning crypto through airdrops and rewards. Lastly, you can earn crypto through airdrops or rewards programs. Sometimes new crypto projects will send free coins to promote their token or reward early supporters. Example: it's like getting free samples at the grocery store. You can collect these coins and later sell them if their value goes up. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to 1 in a Million. Hit that bell so you don't miss out on more ways to grow your crypto portfolio. Here are some additional tips. Before you go, here are some final tips to make sure you're successful in the crypto world. 1. Start small. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. 2. Do your own research. Always research projects before investing. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, which method are you most excited to try? See you next time on 1 in a Million.